So let's take a look at Bill Finder. So I'm just going to go straight into our main menu and then drop down into the Bill Finder option, and here you'll see all of the clients that have checked out, they've paid, and also duplication of the receipt on the right hand side of the screen. There are various functions of Bill Finder, but the main one being that it allows you to go back into the transaction screen, the till screen, even though that bill has actually been checked out. So for instance, if we look at this top client that we've highlighted in blue, we can see that she had a blow dry earlier today and she paid £21 using the cash tender. So what we can actually do is we can go into the edit pencil, and this will then bring up all of the details for that particular client and the till screen. And you'll notice here at the bottom right hand side of the screen, she paid cash £21. So what it allows us to do is, if that bill had accidentally been put through as cash and in fact it was actually a card payment, we can click on the bin icon and delete the cash, and then we can put that through as a card payment. So click on the card option, type in the amount, so then it changes the card payments, and then finally just click on the complete button at the bottom. And then when we revisit that bill now, we can see that it was originally a cash payment, however now it's gone through the system as a card payment. And that in fact will be changed on all of your cash up reports as well. If that bill had totally been put through by mistake, dependent on your user access levels, there is also a delete icon here at the bottom of the screen, and once we click on that, it will ask you if you want to delete this bill. Are you sure? Click OK, and it will completely remove all remnants of that bill from your reports and on your device.